Greetings on this July day in 2020. This is Dr. Botanica coming at you again with another episode of a form of holistic intrigue. And what you see here is the beginning of a preparation called Hippocrates soup or special soup. These are some of the ingredients that are used in the famous Hippocrates soup that was used primarily by the Gerson Institute and Gerson Therapy. And the purpose of the soup is to create a more electrified catalyst in the body, introducing more potassium into the cells so that the cells can excrete the excess sodium. For those of you who are especially dealing with challenges like edema, cancer, heart disease, you certainly have a chemistry imbalance in addition to a compromised immune response. So these are some of the ingredients that are in the Hippocrates soup. And when I come back, I will get into the deeper preparations. And because, believe it or not, you're not going to consume these vegetables. You're actually going to you're going to throw the vegetables away and sip on the broth. But what you see here initially is a celery root for those of you who have never seen a celery root. Okay. I'm also going to incorporate organic celery, leeks, a Valdelia sweet onion, because I don't have the other onion I preferred, which is either the red onion or the maybe a white onion, and the carrots, which is rich in beta carotene. And contrary to what you've been informed by some other herbalists, carrots are not, conducive. Carrots are very rich in beta carotene, carotenoids. Okay. The original carrots were black, and through time they've been, naturally altered, not genetically engineered like a GMO. So as a matter of fact, the carrot is a base, is the base of a juice combined with the Granny Smith apple that's used in the Gerson Institute. And for those of you who are familiar with my background, I am a bona fide specialist in adjuvant nutritional therapy for cancer. I have one of the rarest, most successful end-stage non-small cell lung cancer with brain metastasis. And if you research the meta-analysis, you know that people that are stage 4 lung cancer with metastasis, less than 3% even live beyond a year. I happen to have one of the first successful case studies in this entire region, taking a gentleman from stage 4 lung cancer with brain metastasis, and starting in October of 2000, and by November 2001, there was absolutely no sign of cancer. And for those of you who don't believe me, I have it archived and I have the medical records. However, I will not reveal the entire name of the patient. And then I did the same thing several months later with a sister who had breast and lung cancer, who was given less than 6 months to live, and within 6 months she was in remission following therapies like this, along with specific supplements that stimulate the immune response. So it was a very powerful synergy, and I've had other successes with people with congestive heart failure, autoimmune disease, liver cancer, hepatitis. But without further ado, I'm going to put this on pause for a minute until we get ready to continue the preparation. I'm Dr. Botanica, health practitioner. You can also visit my website, www.docbotanica, DOCBOTANICA. I see people are still enjoying the 4th of July on this Sunday. But we will return. Peace and be well.